Alright, what's up guys? We're playing Ultimate Chicken Horse because it's free with Steam.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Should I be a skunk or a squirrel?
Be a skunk. Squirrel.
Yeah. Yeah, both of those.
Don't be white. What?
What?
Oh, you wanted the privilege that goes with it? That's gotta be amazing.
Oh, there's a party box up there. So,
There's a party box.
I can't collect that because I already have everything in the game, but if one of you guys get it, then you can unlock something, which really doesn't matter.
Okay. Make this easy. Make this easy on it.
Yeah, let's collaborate here, folks. Oh.
Light work.
Ah.
Jordan, how do you fall? it's 3 wooden platforms.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what I just grabbed.
Oh, that's
I
a
know
black
what I
hole.
grabbed.
Oh, that's kind of
You guys
cool.
both got a black
Put
hole, by
that
the
right
way. Should I finish? Should I win? Yeah, I guess so.
No, you're good.
I guess I will.
Wait,
So
what
is
if
it like
we all
holding the
die?
space front? Or is it like...
If we all die, then it's gonna like too hard, and then you get bombs. Like that. That's a bomb.
Okay. I want that.
You guys both got that. Blow up the black hole. Blow up the black hole.
This is kind of cool. What? No!
I did not mean to do that, chat. I did not mean to do that, chat. You have to forgive me.
How do I dance?
R.
R.
And Q and
Hard
E when
R.
you're placing stuff is rotate.
Oh, okay.
You can. Okay. I don't know how I fell there.
That's wholesome.
That's wholesome. So,
Alright.
and he gets comeback points because he was like really far behind.
I
Yeah.
want... Give me this. I don't know what I just did.
I know what I just did.
You guys.
What it... Whoa!
Chat. Oh. No! No! Oh! No! I could have gone to the building. No winners, no
That's
points.
sad.
What's this? Oh, snap. Oh, this. This looks kind of cool. I don't even know what this does.
I don't know what I did either.
What does this do, Chad?
I've never used that.
Hay does nothing. Hay
Oh,
is big
it
block.
sticks to stuff, and you can like stick stuff together.
Yeah, you can like. So like if it's.
And then it sticks people and makes them stick.
so I put it there.
Gives girls
What?
the
Can I
ick
die? Okay, I can't. No.
lick.
I feel like...
Oh shoot!
That's
I know what that does too. That's oh my god, dude. I put that there too.
That's sad.
I feel like we're making this much harder than it needs to be. And I feel like I'm gonna make this a way harder than it should be.
Dude.
Brother,
Jordan's a pro.
that's not me.
Wait, no, that's not even Jordan. That's Brett.
I'm the squirrel dude. Oh shoot! I
Brother.
wasn't looking at the
Brother.
red crossing and I just got nervous.
What's the game plan here? What is the game plan
Maybe
here?
jump on the wood.
I don't think there is
Jump
a
on
game
the s-
plan. I think... I think I missed. That was
That's sad. That's so sad. It's okay giving us one dynamite. Then no one took it.
Alright, guys.
I think I made things way harder, actually. I thought that was gonna help.
What'd you do?
I put it in the wrong spot. The big metal thing. Oh no, maybe if you like
No,
collaborate.
that'll work.
I guess not. I guess not.
I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that.
Oh my.
Figure.
Yeah, I guess that was pretty dumb. Oh.
Oh, you were so close.
Oh, he's a pro.
Oh.
Oh, he made it. Oh, he's such a pro.
Such a pro.
Alright.
I got a trap.
Trap.
Wait, who'd I kill?
That's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, I killed both of us. Killed me and Jack.
What are these? What are
Doors.
these? Doors?
Yeah. When you get in front of the sensor, it opens.
Huh?
I just need to add glue to that and that's gonna work.
Whoops.
Wait, that. Ugh. Ugh.
That's how we do it.
That's
I
awesome.
brought one.
Oh. I just need one kill, dude. Oh, dude, I can make this so much harder than it needs to be.
What is this? What does mine do?
It like spins.
Okay.
It's not gonna.
Why know this movie?
I died.
Oh my
Hi there.
Alright, Jordan, it's on you. Try to get that box up there. Try to get the box. Dude. Try to get the box. Get it.
Get the goddamn box. Oh, Jordan won. What a pro.
Thanks.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I just didn't want Brett to win.
Alright, that's not in the video, by the way.
I mean Buster. I didn't want Buster to win.
What's Metro?
Alright, Metro. Alright, good thing I was recording.
What's Metro? I've never even heard of Metro before, but what?
Alright, Metro.
Metro.
Ooh, this is cool.
I'm fine.
Metro booming. We probably like get ran over and stuff.
Yeah.
Brother. Brother.
Oh! Fuck. No! No! Dude, I'm just dancing. Okay, we gotta make this easier, brother.
That's not easier. That's not easier. Nope. What?
Oh, what? Dude! Alright. I think this map's a little tricky, but you have to know the trick.
Yeah, do you know the trick?
I hope so. Maybe I should get rid of this.
That's good. That's good. Oh, I'm supposed to be
Bro, how do
sprinting.
you even make it up there?
Oh.
You have to sprint, Jack. It's shift.
That's a thing?
Yeah,
What are
you
you gonna do
gave me-
about this?
Like
Oh,
like a master. Like a master. Why do you turn? Oh,
Oh, good job. Alright, chap.
why'd I get this? It's not even that good.
Oh, what?
Damn.
What? What is
Good thing I can
it?
put it on there. Good
Let me
thing-
place it!
Good thing I can put it there.
You have to
Where
put it on
where
something.
can I place
You
it?
have to put it on something. Oh my god.
Whoa! You can sprint.
Oh my god. Dude, that black hole was kind of a bad idea.
That was kind of a bad idea. Who did that?
Yeah,
Silly.
who did that? I wonder.
Silly.
Give me this. Ah. Yeah, I like that.
Brother. That's wholesome. That's wholesome. That's not okay.
Who put the
That's
spikes on the tire?
Well, that's actually smart.
No! My god! Who put the spikes on the tire?
What?
You got this, Beanos.
Go.
Oh, you're. Ah,
See how
you suck.
See how tricky that barbed wire is?
Whoops.
See, the same two options.
Brother. Hey, Brett.
Put that a little down, bro. Wait, so how do you like jump efficiently?
Space. Oh, you have to sprint while jumping, and that way it's like really good.
That was
I
really
died.
good, yeah.
Oh, like
Oh, this guy's a pro. Oh, this guy's a pro.
I don't trust that saw. No! Oh, oh.
Oh my
Dude, I was against the grain. You guys are both underdogs.
Alright, I'm gonna need that.
I think I'm gonna be the voice of reason here.
No!
No, I can't place the. What is this?
You guys both trying to make it more impossible.
Dude! Alright, it's impossible.
Alright,
Maybe not.
Oh, I made it!
Oh my
No.
god! I made it! Oh.
Good luck.
Oh my. No, that is possible. That is possible though.
Ain't no way.
There's a wood at the bottom and you can jump up that.
Yeah.
What'd I get? Why'd I get this?
No, don't blow it up! No,
Wait.
my god, I can't do anything. What is this?
No, oh my god.
Go! No! Alright.
Okay, it's
You got-
not
no,
as
you
hard as
got
it
this.
looks. Oh my, why is the
I
train so
needed that.
short? The train.
What is this contraption?
Don't get rid of the whole thing. What? Why?
No!
You got this, Brett.
Oh, like a champ.
What?
Dude. Oh. I'm so good at this game. Like a master.
Wait, you didn't win yet?
Like a master.
How have you not won yet?
Dude.
Yeah, place it there. Yeah. Alright, Brett, let's see you win this. No!
Guys.
Oh my god. Alright, that's impossible. I'm pretty sure that's impossible.
Damn, I was trying to get that one.
Who's on the sticky? No, on the sticky. On the sticky.
Yep,
on the sticky.
yep.
Okay.
What is this?
Jordan,
Bro,
Jordan.
I swear.
Hey, what?
Alright, you got that, Brett.
My bad.
Yeah, I think it's actually possible now, though. Dude.
Why, Brett? You got this.
Dude! Oh my god! Why is that right there?
What is this last turn?
Alright, I think I can tie
William.
with Brett. No!
I think, yeah, you could probably tie with me, honestly. There's one jetpack, by the way. It's not gonna respawn.
Oh.
Whoever.
Where do I put this?
Walk it off on top.
Up here?
Oh, no, no, that's actually impossible. Wait, that's just already. No. Who got it? Oh
Yeah!
my god, dude, what? He's gonna die. It's not possible. You just made it impossible.
Let me in! Let me.
No, you got it, Brett. You got it,
No.
Brett. Whoops. Oops. Whoops.
Yeah, I think I won.
Gosh.
No, you did not. Good job, Brett. I think you may have won that.
Just a little bit. Oh my
Whoops.
god.